Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I would really love that and I would appreciate that. In today's video, I'll be making chocolate ganache. This video is a long awaited video. But this chocolate ganache is not with melted chocolate. I'm going to be making it from scratch with cocoa. So if this sounds like what you like or what you've always wanted, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification icon beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I post this kind of video. Let's start this video. I'm going to start by introducing my ingredient, which is cocoa, condensed milk, sugar and butter. I'm going to start by putting my butter into the saucepan. I'm going to melt it a little so as to allow it to spread. Now that it's melted, I'm going to add my sugar into it. I'm not exactly allowing the sugar to melt. I'm just going to mix it with the butter. Nothing so special. I'm going to follow up by adding my milk. This will enable the sugar dissolve properly. There's no hard and fast rule to this, so just pour in the sugar. Ensure that the butter and sugar melt properly. I'm going to add my condensed milk. You can also use heavy cream. And I'm going to add my cocoa. This recipe actually calls for heavy cream because heavy cream is so expensive in Nigeria. So I've devised a way of using condensed milk in place of heavy cream if I really need to. But wherever you find yourself, maybe in your country, you can use heavy cream, whipping cream, double cream, whatever you call it, cream sha. Now I'm going to stir the whole mixture together so as to let it incorporate properly. You have to do this really fast. It's just like making your tea. You don't want the cocoa to start coming together and settling below. Because the silicone spatula is not actually doing it as much as I want to, it's only stirring it, but it's not actually mixing it properly. I'm just going to change to my whisk, because a whisk would do this perfectly. Like it would break the lumps. It would break the lumps, so the cocoa lumps. So I'm going to start with my whisk and whisk it properly. Please know that while I'm whisking this, the fire is still on low heat, medium to low heat. So I'm going to keep whisking this, because if you use high heat, it's going to just dry up really fast and become like there'll be like a condensation so faster than you'd expect. So after whisking with my whisk properly, I've broken all the whole lumps. I'm going to go back to my silicone spatula. This is to enable me scrape all excess ganache by the side and stuff. This is how you test for readiness. When you slide your hand through the silicone spatula and it's just that same way, and the water isn't covering the water isn't covering the side you just cleaned off. But when you do it and it's just all perfect like that, and then it's ready. I'm going to go further by sieving it, because I would always sieve it because I don't want any form of lump of any sort. So I would go that extra mile to sieve it for a perfect finish. Trust me, this tastes like chocolate ganache, like your melted chocolate. I know some people go to the comment section and be like, oh, can it be used to decorate a cake like frost to cover a cake. No, it cannot be. It is not that perfect for frosting a cake. You can use it for filling. You can use it for filling. You can use it for drip. But you can't use it to frost a cake. The only time you can use it to frost a cake is when you put it into the freezer or fridge and it attains a steady consistency. Then you can do that. But what happens when it comes to room temperature? You don't want to find out. So that's why you can't do that. But when you leave it to sit in a cold environment, it comes together on its own. So in case you're about to ask that question, it has been answered. But you can use it for drip comfortably. You can use it for what's it called? You can use it for filling. You can use it for so many things. You can use it for your donut. You can use it for your, think of anything you can use it for. It's so good. It tastes really nice, delicious, yummy, creamy. Try it out. I would really like you to try it out and tell me what you think about it and how you found it. And see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share button. The share is the most important one. The share button, and click the notification icon. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.